GameStop just wiped out its entire 2026 gains in a single trading session, dropping over 12% to $18.50. The catalyst, Ryan Cohen is exchanging $1.4 billion in convertible notes for stock. We ran a one-year daily FSR audit on GameStop to see if this is a structural breakdown or a temporary headline shock. Here's what the data shows. GameStop announced a private deal to convert $1.4 billion in long-term debt into common stock, closing around September 23rd. While this eliminates debt without spending cash, it introduces major equity dilution, making matters more intense. Ryan Cohen is actively pressing forward with his pursuit of eBay, amassing nearly a 10% stake despite resistance from eBay's board. Investors are now weighing balance sheet deleveraging against immediate share dilution. 1 year of daily data, overall FSR score 87%, average rolling FSR 95%. After peaking near 2750 earlier in the cycle, GameStop spent months consolidating in a tight band around $22. The rolling FSR held extremely high at 97% to 98% during that entire range. Today's move violently broke that baseline, sending the rolling FSR down to 92% as price sliced through the $20 support down to $18.50. The dilution isn't happening overnight. The final share count for the swap will be calculated using a 35-day volume-weighted average price that started today. GameStop's SEC filings specifically explicitly noted that note holders participating in the exchange may execute derivative trades or open market sales to hedge their positions during this pricing window. That hedging pressure is directly impacting near-term market structure. An 87% overall FSR in a stock that dropped 12% in one single day. On paper, GameStop's balance sheet gets cleaner as $1.4 billion in debt disappears, but until the 35-day pricing period concludes and rolling FSR stabilizes above 95%, the technical structure shows GameStop entering a new distribution regime. We'll be tracking GameStop's rolling FSR throughout this 35-day pricing window. Subscribe so you don't miss the updates. Pull full live chart audits at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.